Finally, a burger with fries. But the portion size? Food Patrol is in Novi Gorici today, visiting Fabrika. Atmosphere and comfort. The place has a cool style, with both indoor and terrace seating, but no private parking, which is a big minus. Score 8, service, friendly staff, happy to explain and help with anything. Score 10, food. The menu is pretty big. Burgers, steaks, salads, pasta, and more. I ordered the Black Angus burger for almost 15 euros. And it came with this tiny portion of fries. Why not make more? And by the end, the burger patty was so tough I couldn't even chew it. Score 8, price and value. I think the price is too high for this burger's quality, especially with such a small portion of fries. Score 4, cleanliness and hygiene. The dining area was clean, and the choice of dark colors in the bathroom meant that even if it was dirty, you probably wouldn't notice. But in some of the flying insects right in front of your face, not a fan, needs to be dealt with. Score 7, uniqueness and overall impression. No wow effect for me. I definitely wouldn't come back here on my next visit to Novi Gorici. Score 7, overall score for Fabrika, 7.3.